Welcome to the new MyStemKits. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the different features of our website. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard, and it might look a little different than this, but look for the How-To Videos section and the Manage Printers section first, as that will allow you to add printers, view printer status, and even see videos that show you how to connect and get using the website. We have access to printer management directly, so you can go right into viewing all of your active and available printers. So these are the ones that aren't printing, but I can click View Active Printers to see any of the prints that are currently in progress. As you can see, I just started a print on ADA, and I can go in here and see what's going on with this specific printer. You can also go in and browse specifically by design challenges and lesson plans now, in addition to browsing by kits. This gives you the option of helping find exactly what you're looking for at any specific moment. You can browse by specific categories, subject and grade simultaneously. You can favorite and unfavorite kits simply by clicking on them. This is also true with lesson plans and design challenges. And then you can search later by the ones you favorited. Now you notice some of the activities have the little unlock sign next to them. With this website, we have switched to an unlock system. So simply by unlocking a kit, you now have complete access to it to print as much as you want, and you can then access all of the lesson plans, all of the design challenges, and everything that goes with it. So when you're browsing, you can immediately see which of the activities you have already unlocked. One of the other nice features of our website is the search bar. Now you can search by topic or subject or different things like that just by typing in words, but we can also allow you to search specifically by a given standard. Now you can search by the Common Core and NGSS standards using dashes between, as you see here, and it'll show you all of the kits that are related to that standard. So this can be a really powerful way for you to quickly and efficiently find exactly what you're looking for, so you know what's available to you when you're looking to start teaching a specific standard. We hope you enjoy everything our new website has to offer, and we can't wait to hear what you think of it. At any point, feel free to submit feedback and suggestions in the support tab with any sort of printing issues or site issues or improvements that you see fit. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.